Thikonya thutha wa President William Ruto guthagania gĩikaro na makiria ya bunge 30 wa kĩama kĩa Jubilee, gikundi kĩa bunge ya kĩama gĩkĩ hamwe na kanjũ nene maumagaritie President igongona-inĩ rĩa gũcokia ngatho kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru rĩrĩa rĩthaganĩirio kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Nakuru Athletics Club. Gũkũ nĩkuo President anĩrĩirie atĩ ndarabatara rũtha kuma kũrĩ mũndũ o wothe nĩguo kũrutithania wĩra na atongoria arĩa othe athure thengia wa ciama iria megiritanagia nacio.
Kenya has been held hostage to ethnic politics, to personality cult politics for far too long. We need to unchain ourselves from that kind of politics so that we can unleash the potential of our citizen and the potential of our country and move our country to the next level.
By the mere fact that we are here, it shows that we recognize that the 5th president of the Republic of Kenya is none other than His Excellency William Samoei Ruto. Nimekuja hapa kama SG wa chama, tumekutana kama chama cha Jubilee, and Your Excellency, with us here are NEC members.
Those of us who are mistreated and persecuted in one way or another, to have a heart to forgive our tormentors and we move forward. Na huyu rais wetu ametuambia tusahau iliyopita.
President augete bũrũri ndũngĩthiĩ na mbere akorwo Akenya megũtũra magayanĩtwo nĩ mĩthingi ya kĩndũrĩrĩ, ciama cia kĩũteti kana ũteti wa gũcokia bũrũri na thutha.
Serikali ya Kenya ambayo Mungu ametupatia nafasi ya kuendesha itafanya kazi kwa Wakenya wote bila ya kubagua watu wa vyama ama sehemu ama dini ama rangi ama tofauti zingine zozote. Tutawafanyia kazi kulingana na katiba ya Kenya.
If it is an inspector general, you do your job. When you transit, you allow the other inspector general to do their job. You don't come back to the arena. So we are pleading and reminding those who have transited that the time now is for William Ruto. You transit and let William Ruto do his job.
Mambo ya uchaguzi ilikwisha, IBC kadikila kiongozi, Supreme Court kadikila kiongozi. Ni jambo gani lingine linaweza kufanyika ambalo linaondoa huyu rais kwa kiti? Bila tutapoteza muda na mnaenda kuongea. Rais ako kwa kiti by right, alipewa kura na Wakenya. He doesn't have to apologize to anybody or seek forgiveness for everyone.
Atongoria kĩhĩri arĩa mekumagaritie President mamũrĩtie ndakae kũguoyohio nĩ ũteti wa mũng'ethanĩro.
I want to send a very strong warning to those people who are holding meetings every day, thinking they are going to intimidate our Commander-in-Chief, His Excellency William Samoei Ruto. You can conduct all the meetings you want, lakini leo tumewaombea. Kwa hizo mikutano, preach peace to the Kenyan people. Muache kugawanya wa Kenya, kwa sababu hata kama ni watu munatisha, watu wa kutisha hakuna, na haswa huyu rais wetu hatishiki.
Stay focused. Don't lose sight of the major goal that is ahead of us, which is to revive our economy. And we are going to support you as the governors of the entire country, as we promised in Naivasha, and we know you have a good plan for us.
Oho, President augete hinya wothe wa thirikari werekeire irathĩro rĩa rũgongo wa bũrũri kũng'ethanĩra na aici a mahiũ arĩa makoretwo makĩagagia thayũ wa mũingĩ. Thikũ igĩrĩ thiru maabitha 3 wa borithi nĩmerĩga kũragwo nĩ aici a mahiũ thutha wa minista wa ũgitĩri Professor Kithure Kindiki gũcera mwena ũcio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.